Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video you will be learning how I did this hijab look. I did this on a friend's behan ki shadi and everybody was like how I did it, so I thought to finally do it because I recorded this tutorial on my Snapchat. I will leave my Snapchat over here guys if you guys want to follow me there. So मैंने कहा let's make use of this look. So if you guys are interested in figuring out कि मैंने ये hijab कैसे लिया है, then please keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, then I do hijab tutorials, makeup tutorials, skincare and DIY. So if you're interested in this content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get on with the video. हम दोनों तीन अच्छा तो if you guys want to know my under hijab तो उसकी वीडियो I look so stupid उसकी वीडियो is posted on my इधर YouTube पे posted है. I will mention यहाँ पर पॉप अप हो जाएगा, उसको देख लेना. तो सीन ये था कि this is pretty easy. आपने सिर्फ उसको अपने सर के ऊपर ऐसे रखना है, ठीक है, और make sure you have this chonch because we want this triangle over here. We'll hold it like this. दो उंगलियां ऐसे रख के, थंब ऐसे और दो उंगलियों के स्पेस ऐसे. Then you're going to push with your fingers and then turn it like this. So आपने दो उंगलियां रखी इधर, अपना अंगूठा रखा इस साइड पे और आपने इसको ऐसे पुश किया पीछे, maintaining the triangle अपने forehead पे, push and then pull and then you're going to pin it over here. I'm using a safety pin, छोटी सी. अभी बहुत मुंह के करीब है. Take a hijab pin. You're going to hold it from here. You're going to push it ऐसे भी पीछे. You're going to hold it and then you're going to push it पीछे ताकि वो triangle पीछे चला जाए और आपने यहाँ पर उसको under hijab के साथ pin कर देना है, ठीक है. तो this is what we have so far. अब ये भी बहुत आगे है. You're going to push it पीछे and then you're going to pin it down, ठीक है, ताकि आपके मुंह के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा ना हो हिजाब. And then you're going to use another pin and then you're going to push it पीछे or you can say pull it पीछे and then you're going to adjust थोड़ी सी shape. थोड़ा टाइट ज़्यादा हो गया, so I'm going to like loosen it up थोड़ा सा and then pin it. एक मिनट, ठीक हो गया. Maintaining the triangle, we have our, ठीक है. अब we have no layers. हमने इसको make sure करना है कि बिल्कुल plain हो ऐसे करके. Then you're going to keep this side short और ये side हमारी already लंबी थी. You're going to wrap this around like this. You can keep it ऐसे if you want to, like it's also a pretty good look. और what I did was मैंने इसको यहाँ पर आके जब मैं आई थी ना, मैंने इसको यहाँ से खोल दिया था. जब मैंने fold की हुई थी ना वो मैंने open कर दी थी, तो वो ऐसे मेरे shoulder पे आया था कपड़ा. So you can see it's all spread out on my shoulder. यहाँ से हमारा ऐसे इकट्ठा ही है like this. Wrap this. और फिर मैंने अपना नेकलेस पहन लिया था and that was pretty much it. It was pretty easy and pretty काफ़ी वो है, काफ़ी लगता है कि मुश्किल है but it's not difficult at all. You saw it's literally 2 मिनट का काम. ये कपड़ा जो है वो थोड़ा सा stiff है तो इसकी थोड़ी सी लुक फाइन आती है. obviously वो थोड़ा सा शाइनी है तो it's pretty nice. और yeah, that's pretty much it. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to see more hijab tutorials, don't forget to comment down below कि किस तरह के look चाहिए, या Instagram पे मुझे message कर दो या कहीं पे भी message कर दो. And I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.